Hi, I am trying to replace a Braeburn 2200 with a Nest thermostat. The details are:
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
The system is working fine. I wanted to use a Nest thermostat in place of the current one.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Tstat terminals are OBC Y1E/W1G/W2 wires connected to Tstat terminals red, brown, blue, yellow, brown short to /white short to W1.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Give me a moment to look over your question and gather some information. I may need to get a bit more information from you. Please tell me which each of these wires went to on the Braeburn example. Red went to R, brown to W2, etc. If you took a pic, attaching pic will save you some typing. We will go from here.
I have attached pic of thermostat terminals.
Give me a few minutes to type. Old, Nestar red RHO brown O/BC blue CY yellow Y1G green GW2 white W2/O. Discard the brown jumper that went from W/W1 to W2.
What was the purpose of W1, W2 jumper?
On the Braeburn you had two separate terminals for auxiliary heat and emergency heat. O heat sends a signal to heating elements to work alongside the heat pump as needed. Emer heat sends a signal to same heat strips to work as standalone heat source without using the heat pump. Usually used on extremely cold days below 10 degrees when heat pump capacity is greatly reduced. The jumper was simply to make sure heat strips got signal in either mode. The Nest incorporates both O and Emer into the one W2/O terminal, so jumper is not needed. If you have further questions, please let me know. Thanks for letting me work with you. If my answer has been polite, professional, and thorough, please click one of the ratings before you go. If you still need help, let me know. Expert is not paid for assisting you until you rate answer. Feel free to follow up for 30 days at no additional cost. Bonus always appreciated if you feel justified. To rate answer, please select one of the stars on the page.
How do I contact you later, if needed?
After rating, you have 30 days to follow up at no charge. Just come back to website. Go to My Questions and that will bring you here.
I use the Nest compatibility checker. You had mentioned terminal Y for old thermostat, but it is Y1 on the thermostat. I tried with both Y and Y1. The compatibility checker says white should be connected to W1, not W2. I have attached the screenshots.
You will notice I stated old Y to Y1 on the Nest. There are several diagrams from Nest for different types of systems. You have a heat pump, so you will wire as shown on link below as described in my previous post. Let me know if you have further questions. Ignore the colors of the wires on the picture I just sent, as that is a Nest picture. Use the colors I named in my instructions.
Thanks.
Here is a picture I changed colors to match your actual colors.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.